Hey there! This is for Nicole out of Colorado because you asked to see the man cave. So let's have a quick look. Don't know how many of you guys remember this. If you're as old as I am, you remember Hogan's Heroes? This was always sitting on Clink's desk. Let's have a look. Welcome to the Gunners Club. I like to think of it as a cross between an army mess, a men's club, and maybe a bit of a military museum, all rolled into one. Mementos and curios from my time in the military. And of course, got to go behind the bar. There are two port barrels there. I was into making my own port there for quite a while in my wild youth. Basically, if you can't find something to drink here, you're just hard to please. Even made our own sangria, and again, on tap. Wine chilling fridge, beer fridge, freezer, ice maker. And that's where your kegs are kept. And my last call bell. I don't think it's ever been rung once. Always something new to see. The collection never stops. And no army mess is complete without a picture of Her Majesty. And I do say Her Majesty specifically, because although Big Ears has been proclaimed, he has not as yet been crowned. So maybe once he is, he'll find a place in my bar. Look at this strapping young man. I've basically run out of wall space to put anything else up on. So I start changing things out, changing them over, and repeat. I'm in amongst that rabble somewhere, flying out of Townsville. So there you go, that's my bar. And this little gem under here is from my misspent youth. A sit-down Game Boy. You got a bar at home? I'd love to see some comments or pictures in the comments. Let me know and let me see what you guys have got in yours. Oh, this is a little gem that was acquired recently. An original order from the pubs to CUB when they were putting their restocking order in. What a brilliant find. Back from the Abbotsford Brewery back in the day. And of course in the hot tub there are rules. A Navy buddy of mine found this one for me and I thought, what a perfect place to put the Navy. I mean, let's face it, a hot tub is all they need. Magnificent place to relax. Anyway, that's your grand tour of the man cave. I'd love to see yours. Catch ya. And don't forget, me and my mate here reminded me, if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. We like that and it'll help us a lot. Thanks guys.